So you're thinking about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama. Well, today we are going to walk through our brand new listing. We are in a custom built home in a small little section of the Craft Farm subdivision. This home was built by Crystalis Home Builders, and we are in the little tiny section called Crystalis Gardens. And our new listing is 2,406 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, some really nice extras in this house. We got 2 primary suites with their private bathrooms and multiple walk-in closets. We then have a guest bedroom and bathroom, as well as a flex room that is a 4th bedroom that could be an office, secondary living space, playroom, tons of options for that flex space. This is incredibly well laid out, no carpet, tile plank throughout. As you will be able to see, it has got such a coastal charm to it, really highlights our coastal lifestyle. We are right here on hole number 6 of the Craft Farm's 27-hole Arnold Palmer-designed golf course. Beautiful clubhouse, beautiful views, absolutely stunning sunsets in the afternoon. You're definitely going to want to check this one out with us, so come take a look.
Hey guys, if it's your first time to the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to actually live in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, Foley, all the surrounding areas. My name is Andy Hollis, and this is
Aileen Fountain.
And our entire team, we do videos just like this every single week just to keep you informed, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here, vacation here, work here, play here, you know, the whole 9 yards. So listen, whether it's 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking about making that move, don't hesitate to pick up that phone and give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, set up a smoke signal. We don't care. Or however you can get in touch with us, just get in touch with us. We would love to help you make a smooth move to our little slice of paradise. We get phone calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we love it. I mean, we really do love it.
So as I mentioned, we're going to walk through this beautiful home. You're definitely going to want to check it out. We have it listed very aggressively at $640,000. Guys, we are located in right next to everything. You are right next to Target and Publix. Literally, you can go on your golf cart. We are 4 minutes away from the brand new high school. You're also right here, just a minute away from the boat launch in North Gulf Shores over by the Wharf, and also a minute from the bridge that will take you over to the Wharf and take you into Orange Beach, although you can easily hop over and get on 59 and come onto the island and into Gulf Shores from there too. So excellent, excellent location. If you'll stick around to the end, we will take you through. I will show you around here and let you see everything this area has to offer. So come on and take a look with us.
Cypress bend, take it nice and slow. Fairway green where the soft winds blow. Hole number 6, yeah, that view don't lie. Lake lights up when the sun hits the sky. Crystalis Gardens got that peaceful feel where every day just feels real. 5 miles from the beach, but you'd never know. Got the best of both worlds right out your door. It's that Cypress Bend sunrise coming in, painting gold on the fairway. Wind 4 best, 3 bass, room to breathe, where the good life comes easy. 640 to get you more than a view. It's a front row seat to something true. Yeah, this ain't just living, it's time well spent right here on Cypress Bend. Wood look tile, no worries, no sand. Quartz tops shine where the good times land. Big curved island friends gather round. Gas range fire when the sun goes down. 2 suites made for staying a while. Extra room for work or child. The Publix run in a minute flat. Dinner, movie, yeah, it's alright. And it's that Cypress Bend sunrise rolling through coffee slow with a lakefront view back.
Beautiful entryway here. And I love you come into really nice open space here. And if you look all the way up, got a lot of natural light coming in, which really makes this space feel amazing. We got tile plank throughout. There is no carpet. And right as you come in, you have a beautiful secondary master suite. Lots of natural light here. Got a nice walk-in closet. Plenty of space there, and come on in and you've got a private bathroom. You're gonna see lots of storage throughout this home. It is very, very well laid out. Their use of the space is phenomenal. Linen closet there. It's a really nice size room. Very nice entryway. We'll come back to the garage and laundry room. We're gonna come down again, hall storage here. And then we're gonna come into the flex space. They are using as an office and sports memorabilia. Also great here for a little secondary man cave, living space here. You do have a nice closet in here. It is counted as a bedroom. It's got a closet and a window, so can function as a 4th bedroom or a flex space to your needs. And then we'll come in here into the 3rd bedroom that they have so adorable in here. Got a little spot for your tea. Cute surfboard. Love the book station. And then they created this precious little nook over here. Sweet little reading area. And that is one of 2 closets in here. So still got a closet over here. So dual closets in this room. Very nice to have 2 closets in a guest bedroom. Got custom cabinets, quartz countertops, shiplap wall, cute fixtures. Love how they made this open shelves here in the hallway. It's really cute. Come on in and you just absolutely fall in love with this space in here. It is somehow cozy yet spacious all at the same time. Again, love the bookshelves tied in with the shiplap, perfect for a flat screen TV. And then you still have an awesome centerpiece here with the gas fireplace. Big updated fan. This is not a track built home. Got beautiful vaulted ceilings. And then absolutely love how this kitchen is laid out. Beautiful curved island. Gives it so much character. Gorgeous backsplash. Got a little area for your coffee station here. Nice pantry. Very well organized and automatic light there. Built-in microwave, stove, or oven and gas stove. Love having a gas stove. Dishwasher, double sink. And this might be my favorite space here. Very comfortable here, having this formal dining, yet it feels informal because it's right off of the kitchen and living area. And then you have the panoramic views of the golf course, 2 ponds, hole number 6 there, nice par 3. Let's check out the primary suite here. Once again, beautiful light coming in. This is a gorgeous 27-hole golf course. Absolutely stunning sunsets here. I have seen them with my own eyes, and they are every bit amazing. So we'll come in here to the primary bathroom, and once again, nothing short of beautiful in here. There's a tub worth soaking in. Nice walk-in shower here. Always love that you can come in and turn the faucet on, get the water warm before getting sprayed with water. Nice double vanity here. Plenty of countertop space. Private toilet. Still got natural light coming in there too. Linen closet. Once again, a lot of storage in here. We got dual closets here. Got one closet that's a little larger, nice walk-in closet here. Love that picture. And then this is more your standard closet.
Eternal cypress bend, take it nice and slow. Fairway green where the soft winds blow. Hole number 6, yeah, that you don't lie. Late lights.
Okay, let's go check out the laundry room and the garage. Got another closet here, linen closet off the guest bathroom. Love all the storage in here. Nice laundry room. This wall's plenty big for full-size washer dryer. And then you still have storage over here, both upper and lower, as well as a sink. Very convenient to have that sink there. And that takes us right on into the garage, where we have 2 individual garage doors, and they use this as extra space for hanging out. Got bikes and beach chairs, trampoline, little TV area, little play area. Lots of storage here at the back. It's a really good sized garage here. Got to have a garage fridge. All right, let's go check out the backyard, because this space out here is really nice. Very comfortable backyard space here. I'm checking out some golfers on the putting green. Absolutely gorgeous day for golf.
Don't fade, every memory here gets made. 4 beds, 3 baths, a brand new way to live like you're on vacation every day. If you're looking for that coastal blend, you're gonna find it right here on Cypress Bend. Left side house, where the good times start. Cypress Bend, yes, got your heart.
All right, guys, that is going to just about do it for our video walkthrough of our beautiful listing here in Craft Farms subdivision. We are literally out all the time on our bikes, on the golf cart, scooters. We are checking out turtles and fish in the ponds. We absolutely love spending time in this neighborhood. So many walkable areas, so many sidewalks. You found some fish right there? Yeah. Okay. Property taxes on this are about $1,800. Hope you stuck around to see everything that is around this gorgeous neighborhood. Fantastic location. Literally take your golf cart to Publix, Target, a whole bunch of restaurants. You got 27 holes of golf here, clubhouse right here. It's very pretty. One of the prettiest neighborhoods in Gulf Shores or Orange Beach. Definitely one of the nicest golf courses. Absolutely love this golf course, and hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh, it feels so right. From sunrise